Hey y'all, Bryant Wolf here, the Classic Technician for Porsche Naples. I'm just going to show you guys around our Classic Restoration project for 2022. Here we have a base C2 964 Carrera, guards red. Basically all we've done so far is body panels off, fender liners out, stuff like that, just for getting ready for paint. And same color, it's going to be same guards red, with a little bit of custom accents on the interior afterwards. This week we dropped the engine, and like I said, we're just getting all the body panels off of it ready for paint. All the glue that came off of the carpet is stuck in here just because of the flood damage. It's been a pain coming out so far, but we're going to get rid of all of this. Brand new sound deadening, new carpet, pretty much a whole new interior, minus a couple bits here and there. With the interior, we're also going to be doing like more of a Carrera RS lightweight tribute, like I said. So the Recaro pole positions with silver stitching throughout the entire interior, basically. Our client likes the silver accents, so we're going to be doing like silver seat belts, like I said, silver stitching and stuff like that. So with the engine, we're just keeping it pretty much all factory, doing a little accents here and there. The engine shroud will be matched to the body of the car, so you can see it through little nooks and crannies. It'll be kind of nice, but basically all factory. We're going to take it all apart, split the case and all that. But I just wanted to show you guys how dirty and cruddy this engine is. This is rat's nest all through the entire back end of it. And then all the engine tins are rusted and stuff like that. So everything's going to be nice and powder coated and zinc plated. It's going to look OEM plus kind of style. This is all just proof of the water damage underneath the fuel tank when we removed it. But we're going to try to make the car as brand new as possible. Bring it back like 80% brand new parts, all repainted back to factory guards red. Thanks for joining us, y'all. Stay tuned for more. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, can't wait to share the end results with you guys.